Welcome to another boat tour by Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. This video features our 2005 Mainship 400. This trawler is a well-maintained, well-equipped, and very clean boat. She offers a great layout with plenty of space. The large upper flybridge can seat more than 10 people. She comes with a complete Raymarine electronic suite as well as bow and stern thrusters. Entertaining is easy with the propane grill, sink, and icemaker. The first thing that catches your eye when you enter is the bright and airy salon. The interior features solid cherry wood, including all the cabinets, drawers, and tables. The fully equipped galley is to starboard, and it offers a refrigerator and freezer, microwave, and a 3-burner propane range and oven. This trawler is powered by a single Cummins 370 horsepower diesel engine. To port of the lower helm station is a full dinette that seats 4 with a comfortable bench and matching stools. Forward is a master stateroom with a centerline queen berth and plenty of storage. The spacious head with a separate stall shower is accessible from both the master stateroom and the companionway. The second stateroom to port offers 2 single berths. The combo washer dryer is located under the stairs to the staterooms. For full specs including price, click the link in the description below. And to see more of our yachts for sale, visit our website littleyachtsales.com.